Hey guys, welcome back. On this episode of Life with Spike in the van, we are putting in flooring. We're going to start with underlayment. We're just doing a regular floating floor. I'm not paying for any of this. This was all free. It's just random material laying around, but luckily I have enough laying around that I can finish it off. So let's get started. First off, I'm just going to put some underlayment on, and then we'll start cutting some sheets of laminate flooring to fit in. Now this is not waterproof by any means. This is probably not the right material I should be using in cold weather, and not the material I should be using in high humid weather either. This is kind of like indoor use only, so I'm not even sure if it's rated for RV use, but it's free. What do you expect? If I need to replace it, I'll tear it up, put it out in the garbage, and we'll start fresh, and we'll start with something new. So yeah, let's get started. Now that the underlayment's complete, we can move on to putting in the floor. All right, I have a floor in my tree fort on wheels. This is freaking awesome. I'm loving it. It is slippery. I know that from having it in the house, obviously, and doing sock slides coming down the stairs. So I'm gonna have to figure something out to secure things when I'm driving, because if I have like one tote in the back and I slam on the brakes, it's gonna join me in the front and smash into my freezer. So there's a few things I'm gonna have to figure out but I'll probably will end up having like a piece of carpet or something with some like grippy pads on the bottom, so that if I do put something in here, it's not gonna just slide to the front. It'll be on a carpet and it won't slide. Plus I would like a piece of carpet in here to keep my toesies warm when it's cold outside and I'm working in here and playing on my laptop, things like that. Which reminds me, I should pull my laptop out and update it and get it all ready to go for some van life travels in the van, because I haven't used it in a while. I've just been using my computer. This is looking great, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed what you saw and you guys want to see more, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button below, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.